Just a quick heads up, Grace and Glow is our unique, creative way of sharing Bible stories in a modern, relatable style. You'll notice some name changes, updated settings, and fresh scenery to make these stories hit closer to home, especially for today's world. We know this isn't exactly how things look or sound in the Bible, but our purpose is to reach you where you are while staying true to the heart and message of God's Word. So, sit back, enjoy the story, and remember, it's all about bringing the light of His Word to you in a way that speaks to all of us. Miles knew the neighborhood needed a new place to gather, a spot everyone could call their own, where people could connect, vibe, and just feel at home. So we got the block together and started talking about the vision. Everyone was excited, but they knew it wouldn't be a walk in the park. First stop, a rundown lot that seemed perfect until they got there. Trash, broken fences, weeds everywhere. Miles just looked at Andre and shook his head. Andre chuckled. Hey, sometimes the best journeys start with a few wrong turns. Not about to give up, Caleb and Jay stepped up with new ideas. They had maps spread out, even pointing out other spots to check out. They were on a mission, committed to finding a place that felt right. As they explored, each spot wasn't quite what they needed, but the vibe was always strong. It was the togetherness that kept them going. Later, Andre gathered everyone around, dropping some wisdom. He reminded them that a journey like this would test them, but the end was worth it. With renewed energy, the group moved on, and you could feel a new sense of purpose among them. They weren't just looking for a space, they were creating something bigger. Finally, they found it, the perfect spot. Miles looked around and saw everyone nodding in agreement. This was the place. They gathered, talked about what this space would mean and how it would bring them closer as a community. As the sun set, they started transforming the area, setting up tables, chairs, and lights, turning it into something special. It was more than just a spot now. It was proof of what they could accomplish together. That night, the neighborhood celebrated, laughing, dancing, and connecting. It was more than just a location. It was a new beginning, a place that they had turned into their own. Thanks so much for watching Grace and Glow. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a story. Give us a thumbs up if you're feeling the message, and share this video with someone who needs a little light today. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you, and let us know which Bible story you want to see next. Every like, share, and comment helps our channel reach more people with God's love. So let's grow this Grace and Glow family to its fullest. Stay blessed, fam, and we'll see you in the next episode.